guys, it's your girl VC and I am back to you with another video. Okay y'all, in this video I will be showing you guys how I got these cute locks, girl. So first thing first, I want to give a huge shout out to ZRQ for sending me this hair, y'all. This is the hair. The hair did come in 6 packs, but y'all, I only used like 2.5 packs because I didn't want like so many locks in my head. So I only used 2.5 packs. The hair did come in this cute packet. It just says hair and, you know, different type of virgin hair. And also they sent a crochet needle and some cute little jewelry. I am actually pleased with this hair. It is super soft, and it was so many pieces that come in 1 pack, so it's like you can get 2 hairstyles in one, girl. So yeah, the hair is a 24 inch. I'm gonna stand up so y'all can see how long it is on me. I am 5'5", so it is super long for me. Yeah, so it is true to length and I love it. So I want to give a huge shout out to them, y'all. So I am going to put the link about this hair and everything you need to know in the description below. So if you guys want to go and cop this hair, girl, go ahead. Y'all, we have made it to 20,000 subscribers. So yes, like, thank you for the support, y'all. This is like a blessing to me. Keep on coming, y'all. Comment down below and let me know different hairstyles that y'all want to see. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what you waiting on? Huh? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and do all that good stuff, girl. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. See you guys in the next video. Period. We out. Okay, y'all, first thing first, you're gonna grab your lock crochet needle. You're gonna pull it through, push it through, and lock it on, pull it out, okay? So then you're going to pull the crochet lock all the way down on the crochet hook, and then you're going to grab your hair and attach it to the crochet needle, close it, and pull it through. See, just like that, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do these 2. Okay, so you got all 3 of them. After you do that, you want to grab your passion twist hair or your spring twist hair, whichever hair that you're using, because you can use whichever brand that you like. But in this video, I'll be using spring twist hair. You want to grab it like this. Oh wait, no, that's not how you do it. Give me a second. We're gonna crochet this through the lock, through the thing. All right, and pull one side through. Girl, what is you doing? What are you doing? Okay, so we're gonna make one side like a lot shorter than the other. Going to twist, not twist. We're going to wrap, I wrap about 3 or 4 times around the lock, and then I start to wrap down. Once I pass my hair, my rear hair, that's when I start to loosen up a little, just to give it that distressed look. So I have passed my hair now. So now I just wrap loosely but tight so it won't unravel, to give it that distressed look. That is the look that we're going for, girl. And then you're going to seal it by using nail glue. After that, you're going to dab just a little, just to seal the end of the spring twist here. Once you do that, I'm gonna rub that bad girl together. And then you have, girl. Yes, ma'am, honey. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys 2 more times, and we're gonna be good to go, girl. We're gonna be good to go.